Feeling overwhelmed by the stock market or investment jargon? What if a free AI could be your personal finance tutor, helping you understand complex investing terms in plain English and guiding your first steps? Get ready to unlock the secrets of beginner investing, all with the power of free AI tools. Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Tools and Tech. Today, we're tackling a topic many find intimidating: investing. But don't worry, you don't need a finance degree to get started. We're going to show you how readily available, free AI tools can demystify the world of finance. They'll help you grasp core concepts, explore market basics, and even identify potential risks. This isn't about getting investment advice, folks. It's about empowering you with knowledge. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about jargon. The financial world is packed with terms like diversification, compounding, ETFs, and mutual funds. It can feel like a foreign language, but here's where AI shines. Think of tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Microsoft Copilot as your personal, patient tutor. Simply ask them, explain what a stock is in simple terms for a complete beginner. Or what is diversification and why is it important for my investments? You'll get clear, concise explanations, often with helpful analogies. Don't understand a part of the answer? Just follow up. Ask, can you give me an example of a diversified portfolio? This iterative learning is incredibly powerful, transforming complex ideas into easy-to-digest knowledge. It's like having a dedicated mentor right at your fingertips. Once you've got a handle on the basic vocabulary, AI can help you explore the broader market. You can ask questions like, what are the main types of investment assets? Or briefly explain the difference between stocks and bonds. Want to understand market performance? Try, what is the S&P 500 index and what does it represent? While AI can't predict the future, it can summarize historical trends and explain common market behaviors. For instance, explain what a bull market and a bear market are. You can even use it to learn about different investment strategies, like what is dollar cost averaging and how does it work. This helps you build a foundational understanding of how markets operate. Investing always involves risk, and understanding those risks is crucial. AI can be a fantastic tool for learning about them. Ask your AI assistant, what are the common risks associated with investing in the stock market? Or explain how inflation can impact my investment returns. You can even delve into specific scenarios. What is market volatility and how does it affect long-term investors? By proactively asking about risks, you equip yourself with the knowledge to make more informed decisions. Remember, knowledge isn't about avoiding all risk, it's about understanding the risks you're taking and how they align with your personal financial goals. AI helps shine a light on these important considerations. So, how do you put this into practice? After you've learned a concept, try to apply it. Ask your AI to create a simple hypothetical investment scenario demonstrating diversification. Or list 5 key questions I should ask myself before making my first investment. But here's the crucial part. While these AI tools are incredible for learning, they are not financial advisors. They generate information based on their training data. Always verify critical information with reputable financial sources. Use AI as your study buddy, your knowledge base, but not as the sole source for making financial decisions. It's about education, not direct advice. This powerful combination of AI-powered learning and your own critical thinking is your secret weapon. And there you have it. Free AI tools can be your ultimate guide to understanding beginner investing, helping you grasp complex ideas, explore market fundamentals, and identify potential risks. This is just the beginning of your financial journey, and AI can be a fantastic companion. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a friend who's curious about investing, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Tools and Tech for more practical ways to leverage AI in your everyday life. What other topics would you like us to cover? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.